Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's review is all about a particular product that I've never tried, and it is on the Mini Moisturizing Portable Facial Sprayer. So I purchased this in Miniso, and this is a shop here in Singapore. All of this is basically what product you're actually going to use with the system. Unless you're using a particular product that gives you the hydrating, moisturizing, refreshing and regenerating with the system, then it applies. And maybe probably they're just trying to mention everything that this system can provide your skin. So opening up, it looks like this. It comes with a refillable bottle. This is just an empty bottle, there's nothing inside. This is what you actually use to put in your product. And then this is the system right here. Okay, this, thank you. Really very sleek product, very easy to put in your handbag. So this is basically a battery operated. It's not a USB operated where you can charge it and then you can use it on the go. So this system actually holds a battery size of 4 AAA. It's in right there. And then I'm going to close this up just to see whether this product is actually functional. Okay, it's functional. When it's functional, as you can see, the light over there, it's lit up. That's when you know the product is actually functional. So behind right over here, you can see there's a pocket. But once you're done, you can actually pop this out and wash the product. And another thing, you're not supposed to actually put the product upside down because of leakage. If you want to purchase this and if you guys are using it and you do not know what this actually does for your body, your face or your internal, please watch to the end of the video because this can be a little bit dangerous. So you're only supposed to use this product with water-based product, and I'm going to show you guys different ways of how to actually use this product. But right now I'm going to show you guys of how I'm going to refresh my face. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Skincare JakeJamie Tropical Quench Essence Spray. Got a syringe right here. I'm going to put this in. It works! I can feel it on my skin, but you can't see that my skin is wet. It's amazing. I want to go again. Using this compared to this is like you can really see my skin get wet. It was like so refreshing, so gentle, and I feel like I just want to keep doing it because it's like so calming and relaxing. So right now I'm going to show you guys a clip of how I use this product before makeup. And to prime my face, I'll be going in with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is alcohol free and oil free. It just goes on so soft and so gentle, but you can literally feel your skin absorbing the primer in. And that is really amazing, guys. See, the primer actually went in and my skin is a little bit tacky. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation and I'll be back. And I'm also going to show you guys how to actually use this product with your night skincare routine. I'll be going in with the Caudalie Vino Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner. When it comes down to toners, you guys know that you need to use a cotton pad to remove the dead skin cells, whatever bacteria that you have going on in your face with the cotton pad first. I'm going to put this on the surface of my skin so that it can actually absorb for the salicylic acid. Really feels amazing and smoothing, and you just want to keep going on and on and on. So I've showed you guys different ways to actually how to use this product. Now I'm going to come to the most interesting part about this system, when a lot of people do not actually talk about this product. It has a little bit of like a danger to it, but at the same time it has a lot of good effects to it. So this product actually holds the tiniest nanometer particles. It's like a mist. It's so small that you can't even see the water particle, but that mist actually contains maybe hundreds and thousands of small water particles that penetrate into your skin. That is called nanoparticles. Make sure it only penetrates into your face, not into your internal system. You're not supposed to be very honest when you're actually using like the bottle. Close your mouth and you're going to spray. You're not going to be talking and spraying and everything goes up your nostrils and your mouth. That doesn't happen. That also applies when it comes to this. When you're using this, do not breathe. So I have actually gone to like facial spas and parlors, and they literally use this type of mist when they're actually drying masks on your face. Please be very careful and ask them what is inside the facial mist when they're spraying on your face. If it's pure water, it's okay. If it's a little bit chemical induced, you gotta be very careful of not trying to inhale, because not a lot of people think that this simple mist is gonna damage your insides, but over time when you keep doing it, it will cause a lot of inside damage. So don't do that to your inside body, because this is only meant for your outside. So basically we have come to the end of the video that I gave you guys the right information and the proper information about this facial sprayer. It can be the most expensive or the most affordable facial sprayer, the effects is still the same. With that said, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and me and him will see you guys in the next one.